This is the dashcam hardwire kit. And this is the Toguard CE80B. It's a 4K ultra high definition 12-inch. High resolution screen, 2.5D seamless glasses panel. This one right here. What is this? Dual recording, loop recording, touchscreen, wide angle lenses. Made in China. Pretty much it. How do I take this thing out? Oh, pretty neat. As far as packaging, seems really good, and even the box itself, too, for a retail package, looks really nice. I really, so far, can't complain. It says here, notice taking your eyes off the road too often while driving could cause a crash, resulting in injury to you or others. This camera records video in ultra high definition. Please use high-speed memory card U3 or above. Please use the included power adapter to ensure normal function. Pretty shiny, pretty nice. Oh, it is. Ooh. So on the top we have the USB. Then we have the AV, then we have the card, and then we have the GPS for the antenna. And here is the front camera. It looks like it's cracked. Is it cracked? I don't know. I gotta peel it off. Let's see, is it cracked? No, it's not. It's just a plastic. So that's a mirror right there. Let's put that aside. Let's see what else in the box itself. This is the backup camera. I'm not sure if I'm going to mount it outside or inside the vehicle. So I plan to install this on my 2011 Sienna. So this little plug here, it goes into the AV all the way up to the front. Okay, so if you were to install it, so it goes in there. And then this one should be for a GPS module, which is this one right here. It goes in there. And then this one for a micro USB. This one end you plug it into the secret lighter, the other end you plug it in there, and you're pretty much all set. And let's see, the harnesses. This one you're gonna use the straps to strap it over your factory mirror visor, whatever you call it. So it goes like this. and then you pull it down. I know it'll be there. It's pretty good. I've had a mirror dash cam before in my 2005 Acura RL. I really like it. So I like this format better, or this style better than the small one dash cams. Okay, so GPS module, and then they come with the instructions. That's pretty much it for the unbox, you know, nothing special about it. So, oh, and a little bit of a double-sided tape, and it also comes with 2 screws, 4 screws, not bad. So, I'm probably gonna do the installation today. So, kit as well. This is the kit. It comes with the trim removal, the instructions. Yeah, it's gonna work. It's the same. Yeah, it has a same type of outlets. Okay, so there we go. So I'm gonna do the hardwired installations probably today. So if you guys want to see the installation part of it, stay tuned, and it's either today or next week. Oops, almost dropped the camera. All right, other than that, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.